Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Nimble to Calendly for booking to deal automation, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, sign in to your Nimble account. Ensure you are also logged into your Calendly account. Open a new browser tab and access the Zapier website. If you don't have a Zapier account, create one. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap to start a new integration. In the Triggers section, search for and select Calendly. Choose New Event Type Scheduled as your trigger event. Click Continue to move to the next step. Connect your Calendly account by following the prompts. Once connected, choose the specific event type you want to track. Test the trigger to ensure everything is functioning properly. Now, move to the Actions section and search for Nimble. Select Create Contact as your action event. Click Continue to proceed. Connect your Nimble account if you haven't done so already. Map the details from Calendly to the fields in Nimble. Make sure to include key information such as name, email, and event details. Once mapping is complete, click Continue. Test the action to confirm that the integration works as expected. If everything looks good, click Turn on Zap to activate it. Now, your Nimble account is connected to Calendly for booking to deal automation. Going forward, each time an event is scheduled in Calendly, a new contact will automatically be created in Nimble. Monitor your Nimble account for successful entries to verify the process. Review your workflow regularly to ensure it continues to meet your needs. This setup will streamline your booking process and help manage your leads more effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.